Alright guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, this is retail, you hear me? And a lot of you who want products, organic skincare, and you want maybe cosmetic, you can see we just came back from market and we just stock everywhere. You can see right now, we just stock everywhere. See? We just stock everywhere. We just stock everywhere. We just stock everywhere. Everywhere just being stocked. Everywhere just being stocked. Retail. You know what I mean? So as a matter of fact, I could easily tell you this. A lot of people looking for from that action, and we'll be looking for also from that extensive lightning YouTube mix. So you can see this one. Some people they be asking me about this really before, and I told them I'm gonna get them this stuff because they know much more about it, and I said, okay, if this really be your best lotion, so I'm gonna get it. So really, I found out that this lotion really, this from back tone lotion. Look at it. You can see. It really contains a lot, it really contains a lot. Let's quickly go through what it contains. And it said it reduces blemishes and improves skin texture, smooth fine lines, enhance skin firmness, lighten dark spots, and also wrinkles and all that. He removed all those, and also a lot of things that it does. So you don't need to miss this. So, and I told you, any lotion you be using, if it's good for you, concentrate on that lotion. Don't say because I said this now, so you want to move to this. But the truth is, I think this is one lotion you would want to try. Look at it. Are you getting it? It's blemishes free. Make your skin firm. Are you getting it? It removes dark spots and all that. So this lotion is really good. And like as I said, we just stock. So you can as well place your order. Any kind of lotion y'all need, you can place your order. You see, there are a lot of lotions in here. You can place your order. That's what AYA Cosmetic do. You can place your order. Just place your order. We ship everywhere. We ship to US, we ship to Canada, Europe, Asia country, and the UK, other Africa countries as well, even in Nigeria. We deliver everywhere. So I tell you, retail, if you can see a lot of people, they try to patronize it, but the thing is, we only sell online. So when you try to know all this from us, and you say you wanna get this done, get it the right way, so that we can also have our own part to play. Everybody has their own role to play, And as for our old product, also we say our product is also good. You can go for Irish lotion. You can go for that Irish lotion, aka yellow CC. That's the current cream trending right now. So don't say you don't know about that. I just told you. Yes. And as for those of you who want to buy recipe, that always look for cheap recipe, you're gonna burn people's skin. You're gonna get yourself in trouble. So why not patronize AYA Cosmetic Nigeria? So we give you the real original. What you looking for that you can get? Look at it. Everything original. I told you, everything original. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people, they just go, they don't know where we get all this from. But the real talk is, just try to patronize and you will get the best of it all. Don't let them deceive you. A lot of fake goods are there right now. We say a lot of fake goods are there. A lot of fake goods are there. So if I were you, I will concentrate on the right goods. And where do we have the right goods? In no other place than AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. So what are you waiting for? You can see, in as far as organic product, we have them all. They really, they're gonna make your skin firm. Oils, you want to talk about oils? The oils that you've not seen, you want to talk about, is it Malawi or Blema oil, and at least all of our products. You know what I mean? So as long you patronize us, we also give you the right product as well. So stay tuned to some other time when I come your way. If today is your first time you're subscribing, keep subscribing.